We keep it moving. Follow your dreams. Volume 1. Forward. This is a short audiobook about following your dreams. I plan to write more volumes of We Keep It Moving. Feel free to message me on social media at tunji_storytime. That's at TUNJI_STORYTIME at tunji_storytime. With feedback, I look forward to hearing your thoughts and opinions. Regards, Tunji Talks. I often get asked, how do you do so much? I often reply, I'm not willing to be confined to a box. The truth is, we are all capable of doing more than we think. However, society has conditioned us to think within a limited bandwidth. You have to be able to free yourself from the conditioning if you want to achieve your full potential. Some of the greatest people in history did a lot, the likes of Steve Jobs, Walt Disney, and George Washington Carver, just to name a few. If we take Walt Disney, for example, he started off by making movies. Then one day, he decided he wanted to get into the theme park business. At the time, people thought he was insane. People thought Disney had no business trying his hand at theme parks. It could have failed, but Disney was willing to take a calculated risk. Fast forward a few decades, and there are Disney theme parks all over the world, and they are major tourist attractions. This supports my earlier point about society conditioning us to stay in certain lanes. Disney was willing to throw away his conditioning, and he flourished. If you want to throw away your conditioning, you need to dream. You need to dream bigger than you have ever dreamed before. Now, before you start dreaming, there are a number of steps you need to take. Cut down on your screen time, read more, work out, stroke exercise, either at home or at the gym. If you decide to work out at home, there are great videos on YouTube. Eat well, cut down on fast food, go out more, venture out into the world. This will help shape and form your opinions. Meditate. When you have most of these steps in place, then you'll be in a position to start dreaming. Once you start dreaming, you need to write down your ideas. Once you write down your ideas, they are no longer floating in the ether. They are semi-tangible. You now need to manifest what you have written down. You may find there might be some trepidation. Imposter syndrome may start to kick in. You may start to doubt yourself. This is all normal. The feeling will subside in due course. And when it does, you need to strike swiftly. You need to make sure you bring your creation into existence. There is no such thing as a coincidence. You are meant to have that dream, and you are meant to manifest that dream. The worst thing you could do is let that dream die. It can be lonely dreaming alone. I'm able to do a lot because I surround myself with quality people. The people I associate with dream big. The people I associate with have ambition. The people I associate with have drive. Who do you associate with? The people I associate with drive me to do more, and I know I drive them to do more and be better. I used to work in a shop a few years ago. During an evening shift, I started talking to an elderly customer. She used to be a buyer for a major supermarket in the UK. We started talking and we got on like a house on fire. She started talking about her children and she shared with me some words of wisdom she regularly shares with them. Tell me who your friends are, and I'll tell you who you are. What does this mean? To me, this tells me if you are friends with people who drive you, you'll be a winner. On the other hand, if you are friends with people who smoke weed all day, every day, you won't be able to achieve much because the people you surround yourself with do not aspire for greatness. It is impossible to dream big if you are in a murky daze. Remember, your network is your net worth. Do not allow others to crush your dreams. Sometimes people are jealous that you are able to dream big, and the only way these people can cope with your glorious ambition is by crushing them. It makes them feel better for not trying to broaden their horizons. There may be times when you might have to keep your dreams to yourself. At a later date, when you have finally manifested your dream into existence, that is when you can tell people. You may have to protect your dream at all costs. At first, many won't believe in your dream, but as long as you believe in your dream, that is all that matters. The funny thing is, sooner or later, the doubters will become believers. Eventually, they will get on board with your dream and the other great gifts you have to offer the world. Your dream is unique. Your dream is valid. Your dream is the spark that will light a flame. Top takeaway: don't be afraid to dream big and follow your instincts. Tunji Talks is a classically trained actor, writer, director, singer, podcaster and producer based in London. Tunji Talks aims to spread peace, love, prosperity and light. Remember to always follow your dreams.